If you want to take your swimming to the next level and swim faster, you need to pay attention to your toes. So you have heard me say this before, that when you swim, you need to have a plantar flexion, which means that your toes need to be pointing down like a ballerina. But the toes play another very important role while you swim. Every time you push off the wall, you get a boost of speed. Unfortunately, most of us take it as a mini rest, while others take advantage of that and speed up to win the race. The difference is the mindset of pushing off strong at every wall on every swim practice, even if that means getting more tired. And to do that, you need to pay attention to your toes. See, the toes and the upper part of your feet are very strong and quick. That is why sprint runners like Usain Bolt run with their forefeet. When you do a flip turn or an up and turn, you need to push with the forefoot, and you need to do it quickly and strongly. The easiest way for me to do it is to think that as soon as my feet touch the wall, I need to point my toes. That gives me a mental muscle mark to push off strong every time. It also puts my ankles on plantar flexion, which is essential for a fast, tight streamline. Before you try doing this, I need to tell you that if you're not used to pushing strongly with your toes, you can get a cramp trying it. So please watch this video that will appear at the end about foot cramps. If you want us to give you these kinds of tips in person and specific to your swimming technique, we still have a few spots available for our 2 swim camps. One is in San Luis Potosí, Mexico, and the other is in Phuket, Thailand. One of the questions we have been getting about the camp is if we have testimonies of people that have gone to the camp before. Honestly, we do not, because this is our first time doing a week-long camp. This is also the reason we're only accepting 15 people, because we know we can schedule time with each one and also in small groups to help them improve their swimming according to their goals. I know it's far away for some people, and not everyone can make it. But if you're truly interested, click here to find out more about the camps and reserve your spot. We will get in contact with you for any questions you have before you make a decision. If you can't make it because of the distance or the dates, make sure to leave a comment below to where and when you would like us to make the swimming camps next year. See you soon. Swim fast!